Hello, Chef here. Once again, I wanted to share some tips with you. This is the Porsche Turbo designed by F.A. Porsche, Chroma Type 301. Super sweet knife. Yeah, look at that edge. Now to retain that wicked sweet sharp edge, I'm only going to use 2 or 3 things. Japanese whetstone, super fine, made in Japan. Guide clip goes on the back of the knife without scratching, as well as leather strop. You can score one of these or you can make your own, doesn't matter to me. You take your knife, once it's sharp, and you just stroke it on the strop a few times like this, both sides. Got a pile of coupons here. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coupons, 10 pieces of paper. So you're wondering, how sharp is that turbo knife? There you go, that's the answer right there. I'll be back with more. Extra thick maple edge grain. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.